Lake Tahoe in 4K. Stunning nature views with epic cinematic music. Epic orchestral score begins softly. Strings rising. Drone rises over deep blue water. Pine-forested mountains wrapping the lake. Where California meets Nevada. Where mountain air tastes of pine and water gleams in sapphire shades. There lies Lake Tahoe. A timeless place shaped by fire and ice, wind and water. Nature's masterpiece, waiting to be discovered. Slow-motion sunrise over the lake, first light catching snow-capped peaks. Aerial sweep into Emerald Bay, Fannette Island at its center. Our journey begins at Emerald Bay, a jewel set within a jewel. Here, the lake narrows into a perfect inlet, guarded by pine-covered cliffs and crowned by tiny Fannette Island. Cakers gliding over glassy water, sunbeams breaking through morning mist. In dawn's quiet, the only sound is paddle meeting water, and the forest whispering secrets older than memory. Dense Jeffrey pine and fir forests, light streaming through branches. Beyond the shore, Tahoe's forests breathe with ancient life. Granite boulders draped in moss, fallen needles soft underfoot, and the steady rhythm of wind among towering trees. Mule deer stepping through golden ferns, chipmunks darting across logs. Every path here tells a story of resilience, rebirth, and quiet strength. Epic music softens to acoustic theme, mountain peaks and panoramic views. Hikers reaching summits like Mount Talek and Maggie's Peaks, wide views of blue water far below. Above the trees, granite peaks rise like ancient sentinels. From these heights, the lake unfolds in full, a perfect ring of blue bordered by forests, snowfields, and summer wildflowers. Close-ups, lupine, paintbrush, and mule's ear blossoms. In late summer, the alpine meadows become living tapestries of color. The lake's ever-changing colors, shifting shades of water through sunrise, midday, and sunset. Tahoe's magic is its colors. Sapphire in morning calm, turquoise where shallow sand meets deep drop-offs, molten gold at sunset. Evening, lights of cabins reflecting in still water. As day ends, the surface becomes a perfect mirror, holding mountains, forests, and sky within its depths. Hidden beaches and secret coves. Drone reveals secluded sand pockets and granite coves only reachable by foot or kayak. Beyond the famous viewpoints lie quieter treasures. Hidden beaches where footsteps fade. Rocky coves embraced by water-smoothed stone. And silence broken only by lapping waves. Paddler drifting close to waterline. Dragonflies hovering. Winter's transformation. Snow-draped forests. Frozen shoreline edges. Skiers carving fresh powder. In winter, Tahoe becomes a different world. White replaces green, silence deepens, and snow transforms every shape. Slow motion, snowflakes drifting, fresh tracks in untouched snow. Even frozen, the lake keeps moving beneath. A living heart under winter's quiet blanket. Life beneath and around the water. Underwater footage, rainbow trout gliding over stones, sunlight slicing into clear depths. Below the surface, Tahoe's clarity reveals a hidden realm. Cold water fish tracing ancient roots, bubbles rising through liquid crystal. Bald eagle perched on pine branch, ospreys diving for fish. Above, eagles and ospreys scan water so clear it seems unreal. Sunset and twilight reflections. Sunset behind distant Sierra peaks, lake shifting from gold to rose to deep indigo. At day's end, Tahoe's true power appears, to quiet the mind, lift the spirit, and remind us how small and how connected we really are. Night sky, stars over the lake, distant cabin lights. Last drone shot rising above the lake, peaks behind fading into twilight. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Lake Tahoe, a place of water, rock, forest, and sky, held together by light and time. Subscribe for more cinematic nature journeys in 4K. Epic score swells, then fades.